Hello again, my name is Hans-Peter and I will now show you some more insights of the app. We are here on the landing page. You can switch your language here. We have chosen now English. You see all the details of the app and what's inside. You can read this very slowly, all the price plans if you want to subscribe directly or to sign up for our newsletter, testimonials. But what we do now is to go into the demo version. You can later sign up for free. Here you see the three different profiles which we already added for you, and on the top left you can switch between the subscription plans like Light, Premium or Platinum. We now show you what's inside the Premium version. We show this, the most easiest way to show it is we go into a profile, we take Julia Roberts. The date of birth is already given. In the demo version, of course, you can add your own profiles with their own date of birth. We go into the astrological DNA, which shows the energy of the date of birth. At the time of date of birth, there are different personalities, such as the inner personality, true, professional, social. So we easily switch between those personality, and it's beautifully shown what she is: a yin fire, a goat. There's some prose text, you can read it. Here is also a picture in order to imagine what she is, a yin fire goat. So this is and the mantra for her professional self. You can also share this via the social media. Of course, you can always print these and create your PDF and store it locally or send it by email. We go back, so we jump into the I Ching. There's the level of vision. This is the early heaven or Sun He, or the later heaven, which is the level of reality. We can easily switch between those two I Ching, and every time we have at least 4 different perspectives in the I Ching, like the karmic lesson, the personality, the job expression, or the life purpose. Let's see what's inside of the job expression of Julia Roberts. Here we have the natal hexagram, which is the number 12, stagnation. See also the prosa text with some keywords. And at the glance, of course, we see the changing line, which is here number 4. And if the lesson is learned by her, what is her developing path, this leads her to number 20. Of course, we have even more for you. Let's jump into the BaZi calculator. So you can also display the stage of life, the auxiliary stars, the I Ching or the Na Ching. So you have all the information available for you. Also, we can go into the luck pillar, the annual pillars or the month pillars. Here in the month pillar, for instance, you can also switch between the months easily. There's a time wheel. So you go to the next month, you see it automatically jumps to the June, or you can also go back to May or even more back to April. And if you scroll down, you see the life stages of each element. This is the influential element, looks like this. You can easily see the rules behind, so how it comes that she has a 3+ in the strength of water. And here you see the most influential element. She's a performer and she's a yin fire, so she's leading the people. That's what we know of her. Of course, we have even more. The soul palaces, the 3 pillars, very interesting if you're looking for karma. So this is the mind palace, how she behaves, and this is the soul palace, her karma before she was born into this world. For them who knows how to treat, you also see all the interactions between those pillars as you are used to it with the graphics. Of course, we have also the children lock pillars. So if you're interested in the age of when she was a young kid, we can go here into details to even find some traumas. Yeah, you have the fully fledged chapters to print as you are used to it, and all the rest is similar to the light. There we go. Thank you.